Songs at the door, get involved and
stay another round. 'Cause who wants to live forever? Who wants to burn it down, 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 down? And we can break the town. 'Cause who wants to sing the blues? So some you win, or some you lose. It's all a catch-22.
Are you not happy where you at? How fuck it off then? Just making up for nothing when you cut your losses. You haven't got it made, but you got your options. Ditch smokes for sleep, ditch shots for CrossFit. What you trying to live longer? Take a bow. What's the point of all those years if you spend them missing now? Some of it's worth the risk, hoping you don't forget. Bad as the world can get, none of it's permanent. So no politics or parties, even if we solving world problems with a lager on our lips. And for all the easy ways out, the harder that it gets. Now isn't that ironic? No Alanis Morissette, we are hard act to follow. Pour in the bottle, YOLO the motto. Could all land tomorrow. Set your watch fast, stay ahead of your time. If you wait, might never arrive. That's the vibe. So stay
another